Hey everybody, today I've got a Mazda CX-5 and I'm going to show you how to change the maintenance light on this car. So let's foot off brake, push the button twice, and I think you can do this running or off, but we're just going to go ahead and do it with it off. So you come up here to your main display here, and you'd think it'd be under settings, but it is not. You want to come over here to applications, then press down on your button, then scroll down to vehicle status monitor, scroll down one more time to maintenance, and then here we are, schedule maintenance. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing down on the button to enter, and now it says settings, time, distance, reset. You turn the knob to reset. Are you sure you want to reset? Reset, and now you have reset that one. Then you go back, and we're doing tire rotation and everything on this one. So we'll go ahead and do the tire rotation, reset. Are you sure? Yes, reset, go back, press the button down, oil change, press the button down, turn the knob to reset, push the button down. Are you sure you want to reset? Hit reset, and it resets. And you go back, and now everything is reset. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner down there. So basically, you're just going to use this button control in the applications. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching.